collection run. Gray's driving like he's drunk as usual. Oops. Don't worry, Gray. The city will pay for all of this. Alright. And... Stop. Wait, where are the trash bags? Son of a...
Okay, collect the bags and throw them in the compactor and move on to the next one.
Okay. Yeah, I was about to say, I should be able to run with one trash bag if I can one-arm it. Oh, crap. Ah! Alright, that's it. I'm freaking done with this person. Well, you can put the bag down. Oh, hell, hey, hold on. Hold on there. Whoa. Whoa, Gray's getting beat up. There we go. Alright, now let's move. Quick, before the entire neighborhood starts taking us on. Quick, before the whole neighborhood starts trying to kill us. Come on, go. Nick, go. Jesus Christ. Oh, now we're on fire. Now we're on freaking fire. On the gas tank. Yeah, no. Oh, we're fine. It wasn't until right before the explosion that I realized that the fire was on the gas tank. I'm so glad I got that on recording. That was awesome. This is all going on YouTube, fellas, and it's gonna be freaking hilarious. Oh, there's a fire! We're on fire! Oh, there's a fire on the gas tank. Click. Well, Gray, you're over. No, never mind. Did you guys really just bump into my back end? Hey! Get your back, Nick. Jimmy? Alright, take her away.
You got the truck? Okay. Our first collection is on Forum Drive. They're stashing bowling pins.
Jeez, Gray.
Pick them up like you're on a normal trash collection run.
Gray, you know those are signs, right? You're not supposed to run over those. And you've got the frickin' flare gun. Shh. Next thing you know, the gas tank just lights up for no apparent reason. Jimmy! Frickin' Jimmy.
Collect the bags and throw them in the compactor and move on to the next one.
Frickin' Jimmy just face planted. What is it with you, this heist, Jimmy, and face planting? You're just having a bad day, aren't you?
Holy hell!
What the crap? I ran Jimmy over. Oh my god. Oh, that was hilarious. That was awesome. Oh, you know what I just realized? Wait, what? Who's not in? Ah, there we go. Jimmy, were you not on? What's wrong with you? Jeez. Glad I'm on the back end of this car. Okay, Jimmy. Okay, Jimmy. Now don't.
You haven't seen any Vagos, have you? I'm getting kind of nervous.
Oh, great. Now we've got 3 bags. Freaking brilliant. Oh, there's 4. No, wait. There's 3.
Oh, crap! They're on to you already. I don't know what's wrong.
Great, Ron. You just had to crap. Can't pick up the bag. Can't pick up the bag. Gray. Wow. No, Gray got kicked. Yeah, Gray got completely kicked. That would not be good. Oh, great. No! No bridge for you, one ya. Oh. No bridge for you, one ya. No problem. Oh, you run away now! You run away now! You're running away from me, though. Is it something you can throw yourself off of? Yeah, sounds about right. If you survived it, you better hope you don't survive this. Because I will shoot you. Or run you over. Okay. Now I'm gonna run over your dead body. That's different. Aw, your body disappeared. BAM! I killed the terrorist, Nick. What? Oh, you turned your head right when I ran you over. Here, I'll give you another chance to do it. Come here. No! He jumped. Not cool. Bam! Yeah! Pedestrian sabotage. Bam! Yeah! Alright. Now I can get away. Oh, Jimmy, since you're dead, send him an invite real quick. Well, he was. And then somebody get Gray in here. I don't know. Woo! Oh, that was cool. That was so cool. Mm. Oh, he found another bridge. Oh, that's even worse. Because now he's wasting money on his sick obsession with suicide. Oh, homeless person. He totally ate it too. Wait, is Gray back on? Oh, what is wrong with this situation? Oh, yeah, that too. My thing is, how come he didn't, how come he got kicked, and how come he isn't back yet? Until he comes back, I will ride the sidewalk with my Mesa. Crap, as soon as I say that, I get stuck behind a pole. Wasn't my fault. I blame Jimmy. Wait, are you telling me to come run you over? Okay. Where is he? He's at a gas station, isn't he? Ha! I'm not falling for it. Yeah. Oh, great. Now I've got the cops on me. Tree. Boom. Not really. Victory was yours, huh? No. Victory is mine. Speaking of which, Nick! No, it said you died. It just said you died. Oh, on mine it just said you died. You set yourself on fire now. Aww, I started climbing that pole. Quick, run him over, Nick. Oh, he's climbing the fence. Get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Come here, Jimmy. Come here, Jimmy. Ah! I don't care, I got him. I got him, coach. Speaking of which, Nick, come here. We're gonna ride to the ammo store. Nick! Turn. Oh! Oh!
You scumbag!
Alright, Nick. Alright, Nick. That's it.